This is the instructional video for Kraken, the bearing packer by ZOOYL. Today we will show you how to pack your bearings. By purchasing Kraken, you got one great advantage. Instead of pressing on the top part, you only need to twist the handle a few times. This made the process much more efficient, easier, and faster. Let's start by removing all parts from the Kraken because the bottom part is where we need to put the grease. To remove the base, push the spring gently a few times and then shake it down, just like you can see in the video. Next, put on the gloves so you won't get dirty, and put a generous amount of grease in the packer. It's okay to have more, you can use it next time, but you don't want to put less than you actually need. When you finish, put the base back with the spring down and make sure you push it all the way to the bottom, as far as you can. Place the bearing on the top, cover it with the lid, and twist the handle to create pressure. Don't force the cover down if it floats. Instead, twist the handle a little more and it will come down eventually. Once the pressure is too big to twist further, that means the job is done. Uncover the lid and get your perfectly greased bearing out of it. And that's it, much easier and less messy. If you need to access the instruction fast, you can scan the QR you can see on the screen. The same QR is also at the back of each Kraken box.
We are a tool manufacturer whose added value to our mission is quality time spent with your loved ones by making our tools super easy to use, so everyone can finish their task easily in no time. Scan the QR code to visit the product page on Amazon, and don't forget to follow us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok for more.